Hi, this is Brenda with Berkshire Hathaway. I hope you're doing well. And I just wanted to say thank you for looking at the neighborhood report and the newsletter. I am sure you found some great information in there. And let me tell you the reason why you're receiving that information is because I did an open house in your area, either previously, or I will be sending it to you shortly because I have one scheduled. Come on and stop by. If you see a sign outside that says Berkshire Hathaway, Brenda Landry, that's me, so come on and say hello. If you do not want to receive the neighborhood report or any of those other things that I've been sending to you, please go to the bottom of the information and hit unsubscribe, and then you will no longer be receiving that information. No worries, really. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call at 702-813-9454. And I look forward to meeting you and seeing you the next time I'm in your area and doing an open house. Bye. See you later.